Hi, today we'll be reviewing Yu-Gi-Oh's 5D'S Dog Tags. I picked these up at my toy for 99 cents. As you can see, they're from the CW4 Kids series. So, on the front it's you say Fudo. See, 5D'S Yu-Gi-Oh Dog Tags. Red Dragon Archfiend Stardust Trading. Look for special foil dog tags. Random insert includes one dog tag and one sticker. So let's open up the package here to see what we got in it. So we have Speed Warrior in like a metallic holograph form, I guess you could say. Sticker System 24, which has Jet Actress on there in his Ace Dual Runner right there. Here's a little cheat sheet, I guess just calling it, that shows the dog tags to collect. Okay, number one was Yusei Fudo. Two is Yusei Fudo on his Dual Runner. Let's see here if I could get the camera to focus a bit more. I guess not. The only thing is they don't tell you which ones are the special dog tags. So I guess this one would be 22 of 24. So let's open this one up. And as you can see, is a hologram foil of Speed Warrior. And on the back, 5D'S Yu-Gi-Oh was supposed to be Yu-Gi-Oh 5D'S. Speed Warrior 22 of 24. Now let's see here. They are getting a pretty good sized chain right here. So if you're wondering if it's a size for kids or probably for adults, yeah, it could go for kids or adults because it is a big chain. I don't have a tape measure, but I'm going to say probably 24 inches. So that is pretty much a lot. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright, thanks, bye.